In the hushed stillness of a forgotten workshop, a legend sleeps. Here, under a thick blanket of dust and the creeping touch of rust, sits a 1980 classic sedan, a ghost of the open road. Our team of mechanics circles the silent machine, their experienced eyes tracing its once proud lines. They lift the heavy hood, peering into the engine bay where a heart of steel has long since ceased to beat. The air is thick with the scent of old oil and time itself, as tools and forgotten parts lay scattered like artifacts around this automotive tomb. With a shared nod, a silent promise is made. This icon will ride again. The revival begins with a baptism of water. A high-pressure washer awakens the car from its slumber, streams of water slicing through decades of grime to reveal the faded paint beneath. Another mechanic follows with a soft cloth, gently wiping away the loosened dirt, treating the aged metal with the reverence it deserves. Around them, the workshop hums with a quiet energy as other workers move with purpose, gathering tools and preparing for the monumental task ahead. This isn't just a cleaning, it's an unveiling, the first step in peeling back the years. With the exterior cleansed, the true deconstruction commences. The team works in a synchronized ballet of disassembly, carefully unbolting the soul of the machine piece by piece. The heavy hood is lifted away, followed by the doors, their hinges groaning in protest. The worn tires are removed, leaving the sedan suspended, vulnerable. Mechanics move around the chassis, a seamless exchange of wrenches and sockets passing between them as they meticulously loosen every bolt, each turn a step further back in time. The car is stripped down to its very essence, a skeleton ready for rebirth. Now we confront the deepest scars, the rust. The relentless passage of time has eaten into the steel, but it's a battle we are prepared to win. A mechanic guides a power sander across the bodywork, the machine's whine filling the air as sparks fly, erasing the reddish-brown corrosion. An intense focus is required as layers of old paint and decay are ground away, revealing the bare, honest metal underneath. Another team member inspects the frame, ensuring its structural integrity remains uncompromised before the next, transformative stage can begin. The naked chassis is then ushered into the clean, controlled environment of the paint booth. This is where the car's identity will be restored. With the precision of an artist, a mechanic wields a professional spray gun, applying a fresh coat of the sedan's original factory color. The rich, vibrant paint mists through the air, settling onto the smooth metal in a flawless, glossy layer. The sedan's classic hue, once faded and forgotten, is reborn, gleaming under the bright lights of the workshop's inner sanctum. While the body cures, the heart of the beast is resurrected on a separate workbench. The engine, once a labyrinth of grease and corrosion, is painstakingly rebuilt. Mechanics install gleaming new pistons, polished components, and a web of fresh wiring, their hands moving with practiced confidence. Each part is cleaned, calibrated, and fitted into place, transforming the inert block of metal back into a powerhouse of controlled explosions. It's a complex puzzle of engineering, coming together to beat once more. The reassembly is the final grand symphony. The freshly painted doors are carefully rehung, their alignment checked to the millimeter. The brilliant chrome of the new headlights is installed, giving the car its eyes again. The gleaming wheels, wrapped in fresh rubber, are bolted on, reconnecting the sedan to the road it was born to command. Inside, the dashboard, seats, and trim are meticulously fitted, bringing the cabin back to its former glory. The car becomes whole again, each piece a testament to the team's dedication. Under the bright, revealing lights of the workshop, the transformation is complete. The 1980 classic sedan stands reborn, its paint shining with a depth that seems to pull you in, its chrome reflecting the proud faces of the mechanics who brought it back to life. They walk around the finished masterpiece, not just as workers, but as custodians of a legacy. This is more than a restoration, it is a resurrection. A timeless machine, saved from the scrapyard, is now ready to reclaim its place on the road, its engine humming with the promise of new memories.